life isihloko sanamhlanje sithi the VAR of life, trusting God as the ultimate judge. Namhlanje ngiyakholela ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzokhulumisana nje nomlaleli oyedwa. Uma sibuka ibhola mfethu thina siyasibuka ibhola khona le system introduce ebizwa ngeVAR. iVAR mfethu it's when i-team ikora igoli ijabule mfethu bese ureferee ahamba yobheka iscreen ukuthi ngabe leli igoli balikore ngendlela efanele yini. Kwesinye isikhathi i-team yayikore mfethu lize lihambe ibhola liyobeka esenta sishintshe iscoreboard okusho ukuthi le team lena isinegoli elinye iyalida afika ureferee acheck iVAR bese yasho iVAR ukuthi hayi cha leli igoli enilikorile anilikoranga ngendlela eright ebese liyakhanselwa. Lento ebengifuna ukuyikhuluma namhlanje ngiyibone ifana nasempilweni mfethu ukuthi uNkulunkulu ongathi uyiVAR yempilo. uNkulunkulu uyiVAR yempilo. Kwesinye isikhathi abantu benza izinto ezinkulu baphumelele benze konke okuhle baze bashintshe nama-neighborhood bathenga imoto ezinkulu nemizi emikhulu bese uNkulunkulu ahamba yoveza kwiVAR ukuthi yebo unakho konke okuyingcebo kodwa awukutholanga ngendlela efanele. Sibonile abantu zikhanselwe izinto zabo esebejabule kakhulu ngazo. Namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma nomuntu oyibuzayo ukuthi uNkulunkulu uphi njengoba ngihlupheka kanje, you know, why uNkulunkulu engangeneleli esimeni sami. Ngithi mina trust ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyena ozoba the ultimate judge. Kwesinye isikhathi masibuka ibhola it takes about a minute for ureferee ukuthi aconsult iVAR ebese yayenza idecision. But impilo kwesinye isikhathi khona ubuhlungu abantu abadlule kubo abafuna ijudgment kaNkulunkulu khona uthola ukuthi it will take 20 at times it will take 50 years for uNkulunkulu ukuthi angenelele. But the main thing ukuthi sonke siqonde ukuthi God is the ultimate judge. Uma sisifikile isikhathi uNkulunkulu uzokwenza ukuthi ahlulele abantu ngendlela efanele. Uma ngisadlula lapho mfethu khona elinye iphuzu enginokulibona masibukele ibhola la abadlali bavesana bayeke ukudlala ibhola igame isa on bavesana bathi referee khona iphutha elenzekile la bangabe besamaka iqhubeke lenye i-team iqhubeka idlala iziyokora, you know, ebese yahamba ureferee yobheka ukuthi awu leli goli ngabe balikore ngempela yini bese kuyavela ukuthi cha igoli balikore ngempela. What am I saying that ngithi kwesinye isikhathi we fall into a trap of being ama-judges. Sikhohlwe ukuyekelela uNkulunkulu ukuthi ajudge izimo. Khona abantu esibona ngathi bakora amagola wrong. You know, we talk behind their backs ukuthi impumelelo yabo ifake khona izinto abayihambele kanjani. It's not for us to do that. Let us trust God to be the VAR of life. There's someone who has stopped playing because they feel other people are at fault. Akungakwenzi lokho. Yonke into uNkulunkulu akubekele yona, qhubeka udlale and trust God. The last point of it khona ivese engilithandayo kuPsalm 73 la uPsalmist ekhala khona ngokuthi ihlezi ibuka ingcebo yabantu abangakholwa, abantu abangamthanda uNkulunkulu, they prosper, impilo zabo zihamba kahle. Uthi lento yamphazamisa empilweni yakhe. His feet almost slipped until he went to the sanctuary where he understood their final destination. What incidents are you trusting God to be the VAR over your life this morning? Please share with us. God is love.